super thrilled and excited to be part of the final. And obviously, they are a very competitive team, so hoping to have a fantastic game tomorrow.
I think for me it's a dream season because I'm captaining first. This is my first year as a captain, so I think it's for me it's a dream season, and at the same time exciting also.
Well, I personally feel that I love to play the situation as much as possible and not get too much ahead of the game. I see if I'm chasing, I see the required run rate and how the wicket is playing, which all bowlers are going to come. So based on that, I plan my tactics, and also I see to it that I take the game till the end. So all these planning have to be precise and has to work on the given day. So yeah, when I back myself and back my instincts, I think that's when I get the best out of myself, and also when other players revolve around you and keep performing, that also gives you a little bit of extra boost to keep going.
I think no one can deny the expectations, but I think for me it's important to be in the present situations. So I always look, I think what is in my hand, what we can controls. So I think I always believe in control the controllables.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कैप्टनसी का यही रोल होता है कि आपको आपके प्लेयर से बेस्ट निकालना होता है परफॉर्मेंस के तरीके से। और जब भी हमें स्टार्ट मिला इस टूर्नामेंट में 2 विक्ट्री के साथ मिला, तो वो एक तरीके का मोमेंटम हमें मिला स्टार्ट से, और उसके बाद हर एक इंडिविजुअल स्टेप अप करते रहे। जैसे कि बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स है हमारे टीम में, उनका फियरलेस नेचर भी आपको देखने मिला। राइट फ्रॉम बॉल 1 वो डिक्टेट कर रहे थे टर्म्स, एंड वो करते आ रहे हैं अभी भी। ऐसा नहीं कि मैच बाय हर मैच में कोई ना कोई स्टेप अप होते हैं और बोलते हैं कि ठीक है मैं मैच जिताऊंगा, और वो हुआ है। तो ये सब रीजंस के कारण मुझे लगता है हमारा सीज़न अभी तक कंसिस्टेंट रहा है। और जैसे कि आपने कहा यहाँ पर स्टार्ट हुआ था और यहाँ पर ही अभी हमारा फाइनल है, तो फिर बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं, और अंदर से पॉजिटिविटी भी ज़्यादा है। रिकी पॉन्टिंग, एज वी ऑल नो दैट he is an amazing player management, he is an amazing coach who manages the player precisely, and I personally feel that one thing that stands out with him is that he treats everyone equally. So that gives a real big boost to every individual, whether he's a junior or a senior most. When you know that the coach is treating everyone equally, you are positive and you get that freedom from within to go out there and express to the best of your abilities. And I've never seen his emotions going up and down irrespective of the results, and that's the sign of a great coach. And the assertive thoughts which he provides with his speeches before and after the game, I think that gives us immense boost when we step onto the field, and also after the game we are excited to listen to him and what sort of thoughts and experience he shares with us. It is simply phenomenal to be around him.
Till now, I think I've enjoyed a lot, to be honest. And for me, I think it's a great opportunity to learn from the great leaders of the game and the great players, great foreign players of the game. So I think it's a great opportunity for me to learn from them, and they have different ideas, which is helping me a lot in my new leadership.